A month and a half ago, we discovered, my partner and I, that the roof in one of our bathrooms was leaking. Obviously, a bit of a concern. So we reached out to some local roofers. Guardian was the first to get back, extremely quick, extremely professional about getting something on the schedule, keeping us informed about the timeline for when someone would come out. When they did, the guy who came out was incredible. He went above and beyond, actually discovered an additional issue while he was looking around, figuring out what the issue with the leak was, and then walked us through very confidently, smoothly, and also clearly, as someone who doesn't understand these things very well, with what exactly the problem was, showing us with photos, walking us through what he'd seen exactly in our attic crawl space, and walking us through what it would take to fix it. Seattle in November is pretty rainy. The weather's not always great for roofing repair, but they were amazing about keeping us in the loop around scheduling, since you have to schedule around the weather. And the day of, I mean, frankly, it was like they weren't even here. If I hadn't heard some hammering, I wouldn't even have known, other than letting them in to do the work. Everything was over quickly. It was over on time. They were exactly on budget. No surprise overruns, which is always nice as a homeowner. Overall, it was just a really great experience. So I would highly recommend Guardian to my family, to my friends, to anyone who's looking to get work done on their roof. They're fantastic folks to work with.